Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can adjust the space between words in Microsoft Word. So let me copy this and you need to search for the word, open that, click on blank document and you need to paste the text here. And now I want to adjust the spacing. So the font size is 11, select that text, click on replace, hit the spacebar here and replace with spacebar here again. Then you need to click on more, click on format, click on font. Here you need to increase the size to 25, so it is up to you. I'm going to add 25. Click on OK, click on replace all, click on yes, click on OK. Now you can see the size has been changed. So this is the process that you need to follow to adjust the space between words in Microsoft Word. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.